Yes, the next question is ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. See here ABC and DBC. These are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. BC is the base. What we have to show? We have to show angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. ABD, this angle is equal to ACD, this angle. So what I am going to do, I am joining this lines, these two vertices of triangles, and make a line segment, make a side. I can say on place of this, I can make a side of this triangle. Join A and D. What we will do this question by two methods. First method is for joining these two. Okay. Now ADB, I am taking one triangle ADB and second ADC. Now see what is given. AB equal to AC, isn't it? Because this is isosceles triangle and given in the figure also. Okay, given in figure. Okay, this is what? This is one side. Then what is BD? BD equal to CD. One another. BD is equal to CD. Again, it is given in figure. And third one. Again, this is a side. AD is equal to AD. This is by construction. Okay. Then, and this is your common side. We can say common side. Then what we can say? Triangle ADB will be congruent to triangle ADC by SSS rule. Okay, if these two triangles are congruent, then I can say this angle ABD is equal to ACD. ABD is equal to angle ACD by CPCT. And what is the meaning of CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. And now then after we will do the second method. Now come on the second method. What is the second method is, now I am not constructing anything. I am writing one angle here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now what is given? AB equal to AC, because this is isosceles triangle. AB equal to AC. And what we know, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. And these two are equal sides. AB is equal to AC. So this will be angle 1 equal to angle 2. And what is the reason? Reason is angles opposite to equal sides are equal. In which triangle? In triangle ABC. Similarly, I am taking triangle BDC. In this one, two sides BD and CD both are equal. It is given. If these two sides are equal, then these two angles should be equal. Angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. And what is the reason? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. This is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. Then you have to write add equation 1 and 2. Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. And what is the meaning of angle 1 plus angle 3? Just you see this much angle. It means angle ABD. On place of 1 plus 3, I am writing ABD. This is ACD. This we have to prove, and this is your answer.